Cohere versus Anthropic. Which AI language model is more advanced? That's the big question today, and we're going to break it down. You've probably heard about these two AI giants, and you might be wondering, which one's more powerful, more efficient, or simply more advanced? Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have the answers and might just rethink your options for AI language models. Let's start with the basics, Cohere. This AI model has been gaining attention for its ability to generate human-like text at impressive speed. It's especially praised for its versatility, from customer service to content creation. Cohere's primary focus is scalability and ensuring that its language model can handle a wide variety of use cases without compromising performance. Now, over to Anthropic. Known for its unique approach to AI safety, Anthropic focuses heavily on creating AI that is more interpretable and aligned with human intentions. While it's still relatively new compared to some of the bigger players like OpenAI, its innovations in creating safer, more ethical AI models have made waves in the industry. Anthropic tends to shine in providing more controlled outputs, which some companies may find crucial when it comes to minimizing the risk of harmful or biased content. Next thing, let's talk about the underlying technology behind both of these models. Cohere uses a model called the Command R that focuses on optimization for practical applications. Its emphasis is on flexibility and adaptability, enabling it to be deployed across various sectors without needing extensive adjustments. In contrast, Anthropic's models, like Claude, rely on a different approach, focusing on behavior alignment. They have integrated advanced features designed to minimize the model's tendency to generate unsafe or biased content, which is a serious issue in many AI-driven applications today. Anthropic's efforts here are commendable, but some critics argue that this focus on safety can sometimes limit the creativity and complexity of the model's responses. The fourth thing I want to touch on is the performance and scalability of both models. Cohere tends to outperform Anthropic in large-scale applications that require fast response times and high-volume tasks. It's been optimized for such tasks, making it a solid option for enterprises that need speed without sacrificing too much accuracy or depth. However, Anthropic's models are designed with a focus on smaller, more controlled environments. This makes them ideal for applications where accuracy and safety are the top priorities. Think law, finance, or any sector dealing with sensitive data. But on the flip side, if you need a model that can handle rapid scaling across a huge database or enterprise system, Cohere might be the more efficient option. The fifth thing to consider is user experience. Cohere's interface and API are widely praised for being easy to integrate into existing systems. It's relatively simple to get started and requires less time to fine-tune for specific tasks. Anthropic, while also user-friendly, does offer fewer customization options out of the box, particularly in areas like task-specific fine-tuning. This could be a drawback for businesses that need something tailored to their unique needs. So, which AI model is more advanced? Well, both have their strengths. Cohere is perfect for those looking for speed, flexibility, and scalability. Anthropic, on the other hand, excels in AI safety, ethical alignment, and controlled output. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a more well-rounded, advanced language model that balances safety, scalability, and user experience, I'd recommend trying something else. After trying both Cohere and Anthropic, I found that while they're both great in their own ways, they fall short in some critical areas that others excel at. If you're looking for a more balanced AI language model for your needs, you should take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.